Almost everyone I meet has something that they would like to publish. And some people know exactly what that is, and others just know that one day they would like to see their name in print. And if you belong to group number 2, this week's Lulu University is for you! When people hear publishing, they often think of someone spending hours at their computer writing their memoirs or charting out their epic fantasy. But publishing can take a lot of forms, and the chances are you have all the content you need already to create a wonderful book. Here are 10 content ideas to help you publish and prosper. Up first, blogs. If you're consistently writing blogs or articles for your website, look at the top performing content and publish them into a book. Or if there's a theme that you're seeing that is really popular, expand on it in a print version. Number 2, webinars. If you have a successful webinar series, compile all those notes and content into a print version to share with customers and clients. Number 3, articles and white papers. So articles and white papers can be a great resource when you're looking for content to publish. You can put together your top performing articles into a really nice resource for your clients, or even better yet, put them together and give them to new employees so they'll know exactly what your customers are looking for. Number 4, hilarious tweets. Do you have some memorable thoughts that you've shared with the internet? I sure have. Combine them into a beautiful coffee table book to share with friends and family. One of our colleagues has a notebook that he keeps throughout the year, and every time he hears like a weird phrase or saying or interesting tidbit around the office, he writes it down. And then at the end of the year, he makes a book out of it and gives them to all of us. And sometimes they're really funny and sometimes they're embarrassing, and thankfully none of it is admissible in court. But either way, it's a really fun keepsake for all of us to have. Number 5 is photos and artwork. So get all those awesome photos off your phone and into a book. Or maybe you have some artwork that you couldn't fit in any of your other collections, and you can compile all of it into a really beautiful and unique book. These can also be really great rewards for Kickstarter or Patreon projects as well, so definitely keep that in mind. Number 6, inspirational quotes. So this is self-explanatory, but I think still worth mentioning. I came across this a couple years ago and I thought it was really cool. But there's a gentleman who uses Lulu every year, and he makes a book out of all the quotes that inspired him the year before. So I thought that was a really neat idea. And I mean, who better to motivate you than you? Number 7 is how-to guides. I'm sure you have a ton of content online or maybe some videos on the best way to use your products and services, but not everyone is computer savvy, and some people like to interact with things on a different or maybe more tactile level. So creating a high-quality how-to guide is a great way to add value. Number 8 is workbooks. Help your clients stay on track with a workbook or journal that kind of guides them through your process. So this could look like a gratitude journal or an intention journal, or maybe you have a workbook that goes along with a diet or workout that you put together on your website. Number 9, HR manuals and handbooks. So every office has these, some sort of guide or code of conduct that you want your new employees to understand as they come onto the team, but offering it in a different way in a really beautiful and well-made printed version can be a really nice addition to a new hire. Number 10, last but not least, nothing. You heard me right. These days, you don't even need content to publish. You can make a really high quality notebook with your brand or logo on it to hand out at events or sell on your website. So for Lulu, every event that we go to or every event we sponsor, we always try to bring notebooks with us because it can be a really great way to give attendees something of value that they can use while offering a little bit of information about your company and what you do. Those are 10 ideas to get you started on your publishing journey. Which was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.